In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off location access in Google Chrome. If you want to prevent websites from accessing your location and improve your browsing privacy, Chrome lets you change this setting in just a few steps. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the window, then select Settings. In the Settings page, click Privacy and Security from the menu on the left. Next, select Site Settings to view the permissions that websites can request while you're browsing. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click Location. This page controls whether websites can ask for or access your location. Under the default behavior, select Don't allow sites to see your location. Once this option is enabled, Chrome will block websites from requesting your location unless you've already granted permission to a specific site. If you'd like to remove location access from websites you've previously allowed, scroll down to the Allowed to see your location section. Click the three-dot menu next to any website and choose Remove or Block to revoke its permission. Your changes are saved automatically, so you can simply close the Settings tab when you're finished. From now on, websites won't be able to access your location unless you decide to enable the permission again. That's how to turn off location access in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.